Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. Yes, a Dollar Tree haul. I know y'all like, wow, Dollar Tree? Miss Nanda? Yes, y'all, I am so sorry. I would bring y'all more Dollar Tree hauls, but sometimes my Dollar Trees be on a mess, okay? And when I mean on a mess, I mean when I walk into stores, it's stuff everywhere, and it just gets to me and I just can't. And I know y'all looking like to say, where is this setup that she's shooting from? Y'all, I am redoing my living room and my dining room with different pieces of furniture and everything. So this right here, you all are seeing on a table that I have. This is not my usually setup, but sometimes I might bring the videos from my table. So if y'all see something, I am remodeling, doing construction, doing everything. So please forgive me, okay? Just forgive me. You're going to see some things. I'm going to show you some things. So just forgive me. So first, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on. Went to Dollar Tree, trying to find some things that I can put in my front yard so when I plant my flowers, so my little flower bins and everything could be pretty cute. So I just seen these things right here. So I'm going to show you because I'm going to be doing some herb planting also. I hope it's not too late for me to plant my herbs, but if it is, oh well, it'll grow and it'll just be here. I'm just going to show y'all the things, okay? So the first thing I got was this 3-planter thing. This 3-planter. It comes in a 2 set. Yeah, it comes in a 2 set. Well, no, actually, it's supposed to be 3. But when I got, you know what? It was supposed to have been 3, y'all. And I only picked up 2. But that's all right. That is all right. 2 is fine. So I got these 2 for my planters, not unless I took one off to show someone. I can't remember. So it's supposed to be a 3-tier, okay? It says 3-tier. So make sure you get a 3-tier planter, not unless they're talking about these 3. I'm not for sure, so I just picked those up. So I got this so I can put some flowers in. The next thing, I got this right here so I can put it outside. It's like solar. And also it looks like you can mount it on something. Let's see. It's a solar starlight. If you can see that, you can put it on your, if you got steps, you can put it outside. It's different places you can put it at. I know I got it so for outside, but also I'm thinking about going back and getting some more. So sometimes when we have a power outage, I can use it in the house and be good with that. Then the next thing, I got these 2. I got this one right here, this light, which is a solar stake light. And then I got this one, which is a solar stake light. I got 8 of these, and I got, I think, 8 of these. So I can put it into my front yard. Just make sure that little strip right there is still on there. So, you remove it once you put it outside. So I got those so I can put it into my front yard. And I want to I'm trying to make my yard look pretty. Okay? Really cute and pretty. Then the next thing I got was this right here. This is like a garden tool hanger for you can put your tools on. It's not that sturdy to me. But it might be, you never know. It looked like it can't hang nothing like real heavy, but it can hang some things on there. The next thing I got was this flag holder, okay? This plant hanger, I'm sorry. I got this plant hanger. I think I got 6 of these, but I might not do the plants. I might just do something else with it. And that's what this goes down in the floor, okay? The next thing I got was these 2 things. These were so cute with these bicycles. This is a, let's see, it's a Gorton steak too. So you can put these in your Gorton. You can put these in your flower beds. You know, you can put them anywhere. It just don't have to be for the Gorton. But I got two of these. I got the yellow and I got this like a teal color. And then this right here is like a mat. So if you want to, it's a kneeling pad is what it's called. So when you're digging, you can just put your knees and stuff on it, or if you want to sit on it, it's up to you. It came in 3 different colors. I think it was 3 different colors. It was this purple, pink, and I forgot the third color that I seen. So I got these 2. I might go back and get me another one so I can have 2. But this is nice. It's nice and sturdy to me. You know, it's not a flimsy anything. So it's nice and sturdy and thick, okay? So then the next thing I got was these mini 3-tier stackables planters. I'm going to do my herbs in these and probably some little flowers. So I got 3 different colors. This color, I got this green, and then I got this beige. Make sure y'all that I had, because I got them out of the box. So that's probably why that they had, you know, nothing gone, you know, left from it. It was 3 of them on here. I'm going to have to, I'm not even going to worry about getting a third one. But this come in 3 colors too. I think it's the same colors this came in. So then the last thing I got was these herb for these seeds. So I got parsley, chives, cilantro, oregano, and sage. I don't know if they have any more, if different other kinds, because these are the kind I've seen. If y'all can go in my comments below and let me know if there's any other that they have. But these are 4 for $1, or if you get one, they're 25 cents each. But you know, this is not the Dollar Tree. It's not just dollar. It's actually $1.25. And then some stores are called plus stores, which is $3 and $5. My store here where I stay in my city, I haven't seen the Dollar Tree Plus at all yet. Hopefully we can get some, because I heard that they have some nice stuff, which is like $3 and $5. But right now I'm sticking to the $1.25. It's no more dollar. It's $1.25. So y'all, this right here. Oh, I'm sorry. The last thing I got was these flowers right here. I got the purple. I got this. Let me see. Yeah. I got the baby breath. I got the purple. And then I got the pink. And then I got, I think it's, no, this one right here. This one. Because I had already had these from, I think I got these from Michael's, I think. But these, I got these. So I made a little plant, little flower thing. And I thought that was so cute. So this right here is my Dollar Tree haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Child.